Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw a square with Python with turtles. So we're going to start off with importing our turtle, and let's do t equals turtle.turtle, and then we're going to do t dot screen t pen color red, pen size 2, and t speed 1. So that's our first part of our code. And we're going to start with t dot go to 0.0. So I'm just going to show you what it looks so far. Let's refresh connection. Oh, just gotta put one more thing. Screen. Oof. Oh, sad to do this earlier, so we'll just do here. Screen equal turtle.screen. And then we use screen dot main loop. And then I'm just gonna run this. And this is where our turtle is going to be started off. So I don't want this to be black, but it does look kind of good. So I'm just going to make it gray and see how it looks. And you guys can do anything. So nope, let's do dark gray. So I hope this looks better. Oh no, no right click. But it's fine. I'll just deal with this. And then let's just continue our code. Okay, so now we have to make t draw a square. So we're gonna do t basically t dot pen. It's already down to p dot pen down. So I have to draw so t dot go to okay, so let's just check out our progress so far. Oh, so the screen. Let's just finish the entire code, and yep. Yeah. So and then we add screen dot main loop. And by the way, the program I'm using for this code that finishes your code without actually messing it up, it's called Replit. Make sure to check them out because they are a really good code website. And there we go. And this is how you draw a square using GoTo commands. I'll be making another video of how to draw a square using forward commands. But GoTo is way easier because with forward you have to do left, right, and all those stuff. But with GoTo, just put coordinates and then pen color, pen size, speed, and that's it. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.